First, it's my great honor to take this opportunity to introduce Perfect Laser to you. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of industrial laser equipment since 1995. Until now, we have 20 years history in this field. And our main products including laser marking machine, laser welding machine, laser cutting machine, laser engraving machine, laser cleaning machine, etc. And more than 20 series, 300 types. All machines have got CE and the raw certificate and certified by the well-known international inspection institutions such as TUV and SGS. As a result, our product has been exported to more than 180 countries and areas in the world. And we got great reputation from our customers all over the world, and we are so proud of it. And also we have a talent team. 95% of our teammates are bachelor or master degree. We can provide you 2 hours quickly response and 24 hours after sales services, especially to you. Our goal is simple. We want to sell the high-quality product at the best price and providing the industry-leading customer services to you. And in order to satisfy watching, we prepare lots of coupons and gifts in our left showroom page, and you can get the coupons in our left showroom page and use it place the order directly in this page. And to celebrate the e-commercial trading festival in June, we prepare many benefits for you to enjoy. First, as you can see here, place an order over $7,000, you will get coupons of $100. It's so exciting, right? I hope you can catch this chance. And place an order over $3,000, you will get coupons of $15. Awesome, right? And the secondly is about our warranty time. You know, the normal company only provides you 12 months warranty time, right? But our company will upgrade your warranty time to 24 months. Yeah, that's true. And only if you place the order during this month, okay? And what's more, our company prepare lots of exquisite gifts and very attractive promotion policy for you to enjoy, and I will introduce them to you later. And today we will introduce how to make beautiful logos and signs by our laser marking machine, and how to choose the right side model on your own needs. And if you are watching us right now, you can follow us by clicking the following button here. To subscribe our channel so you can find us easily next time. And please give us a like here. It means a lot to us. And if you want to get more information about a product, you can find that product list here. Please click the more so you can get more information about the product. Okay, now I will invite our sales engineer, Mr. Dominic. He's a professional in this field, and today he will introduce the laser marking machine special to you. Let's give a round of applause to welcome him.
Wow, thank you so much. Yes, it's such an honor to be here on this live show today. So, today we're going to have a look at our fiber laser marking machine. Wow! Yes, absolutely. So, we have 2 machines. One is the PEDE 400D machine, and the other one is the PEDE 400D machine. Wow! So these machines are absolutely incredible. You are going to enjoy this live show, and I'm sure by the end of today, you might be making your order, right?
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
It's so great, right?
Yeah. Okay. So, therefore, we are going to have a very good sample show that we have for you. So, let's begin with our sample show. All right. So, as you can see on this what our Bible laser marking machine has done.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to show step by step, one by one, on how this Bible laser marking machine has done a wonderful work. Yeah. So, let's begin with cards, like a business card. The effect is so incredible. Please, let's have it for our viewers. Wow, that is amazing, right? The quality is so clear. Efficiency of printing is of good resolution. I like this. Are you liking this?
Wow.
All right. Now, another one is this. Look at the art. It's so incredible. Wonderful, right?
Yeah.
Yes, and one, of course, this is one of my favorite brands in the world, an Audi. But look, it's so clear. The design, the words, they're so clear that you can see them. So, if you're dealing in this kind of industry that has logos or marking logos, this is what this machine can do for you. So, I have a pet, I have animals, and if I want their ear tags, look at what we have here. Can you see? The impact marking is so good. Please, for our viewers. It significantly improves the marking quantity at the same time. So look, on aluminium alloy, you can see the picture of a butterfly, and this is really incredible. Wonderful. All right. Are you seeing these samples?
Yeah.
How incredible they are? I love this. All right. Next up, we have this. Wonderful. No matter what color it can be, the effect will still look amazing. You will still be amazed. Yes. Wonderful. All right. And now, even you can see such as the production date, expiry date, no matter what kind of marking you'd like to do, this is so incredible. So this machine can meet your user requirements. Any kind of requirements, whether it's production date, expiry date, it can have the effect of marking. Yes, for the production. And then, if you have a company and you'd like to have your pens, look at this. This is so incredible. The marking is absolutely outstanding. All right. Did you see that? That is so wonderful. Even on this kind of pen, no matter what kind of color of pen you have, this will be incredible. Please have a look at the marking on this pen. And yet, we have even a blue pen, right? Can you see? It's so colorful. Absolutely great. All right, wonderful. We're completely done with all our samples. Can you see? This is the machine that you can see right behind us. The samples are just done right here.
by your machine, right?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, I appreciate you for having a look at our samples. So furthermore, we're going to have more overview concerning our fiber laser marking machine. Yes, all right. So therefore, right now, ladies and gentlemen, firstly, we're going to have a new overview of our fiber laser marking machine. So this machine is our best and hot selling model, which is our 400DB machine. So this 400B machine can mark on all kinds of metals and also plastic materials such as carbon steel, aluminum, zinc, and brass. So don't hesitate and say, oh, but your material can be done on it too. And also, our machine, Fiber Laser PEDB 400B machine, has a fast marking speed, 7,000 millimeters per second. That is unbelievable! 7,000 millimeters per second. This is a record making. It has a good high working efficiency and a stable performance. So, it also has a wonderful compacted structure design, as you can see. The design is so good that it is easy to handle and maintain, and most of all, it is easy to ship directly to your factory or your location. So, with this machine, as you can see, it is so compacted, wonderful, and I just love this machine. So, this machine, as you can see, we have a laser source. The laser source is right here. So the laser source is used for maintaining the printing of this machine. And right here, we have a laser system. So this is used to adjust the upward and downward direction of the laser source. So for a very good marking precision, you have to be able to adjust this in an upward and downward direction. You can also be able to see how high or low have you raised it. We have a ruler scale here. As you can see, the numbers from 0 to 50 centimeters. You're able to see by the ruler scale how high or low you have lifted the lifting system. So, you also have your own PC. So your own PC will be connected. So, with all this kind of materials that you see here, we have this part. And this part, you're mainly having the 3 functionable buttons. The first one is a switch on button, which is a green indication. By simply pressing this button, the machine will automatically turn on. But do not forget, with this part, with a key ignition, you must switch on and turn on by using the green button. And also, you have a stop button, an emergency button. If you feel that there is some malfunctioning or after usage, please kindly press your hand onto this stop button. So, with this all kind of design, you also have a working table. With this working table, you place your material onto this working table, and with this whole area, this is where the marking is done. It has a wonderful bit marking effect. What you see right here is identified as a rotary fixture. A rotary fixture, if you have a cylinder kind of material, you can easily insert it here and the marking effect will have on this working table. So, with a focused galvanometer focused mirror lens, here it is, and with your printing head. So, with all these kinds, which is very convenient and compact, we also have a handle, which is right here, which is really easy to maintain. So therefore, all this is an incredible structure. I like this machine. All right, have you seen this machine? It's such an integrated structure, right? Okay. All right, so with this machine of a high-speed marking, it can shortage the period of your time. With high efficiency, it can last up to 10 years of your operated life. And also, it has no coupling loss of this machine. So it can be used for a really long period of time. So do not worry. There is only low consumption cost with 0.5 kilowatts when using this machine. All right. Are you excited? I'm sure you are by what you have seen with this machine. Perfect marking results. So, right now, it is time to introduce one of our experienced and talented engineer in this industry. He is one man who has done an incredible work in this, how to maintain this machine and come up with such incredible features. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our guest at this time, Mr. Wu! Thank you, Mr. Wu. Yes, this is our talented and hard-working engineer. Mr. Wu, I'm impressed by this machine. So, Mr. Wu right now is going to show us on how a marking effect of our PEDB 400B machine. Okay, so let's begin with how he can demonstrate on a few materials. So, as you can see, you have your PC right here. So, your PC will be used for the encoding or instructional messaging of your printing. So, Mr. Wu eventually will turn on the machine. Okay, that is the stop button, that is the ignition key, and that is the turn on button. So, you therefore, you open the file on your machine. It will display on your computer. All right, so as you can see, he therefore presses the green button, that is to switch on the machine. Okay. So, with the printing head right here, this is our working table. You will see a wonderful marking effect. So, right now, we are going to place a material. As you can see right here, we have a cylinder. So please, Mr. Wu, give me a full demonstration on how to use it. You place it onto the rotary fixture because it's a cylinder. Okay. Round, and therefore you displace it onto the rotary fixture. Ladies and gentlemen, it is highly assured that you should ensure that the red light has a reflection onto the cylinder. Alright. He adjusts with the marking lifting scale. He adjusts it into an upward direction. Okay. All right. Okay, as you can see right here, the red light is a very important factor, and it helps you to see where the marking will begin. So, Mr. Wu, let's begin. We are ready. Okay. All right. The marking effect shall begin. Okay, let's go. Wow. Wow. That was fast. 7,000 millimeters per second. As you can see, the marking effect right there. Wonderful. Okay. Wow. I'll give a big applaud to our engineer. Wow. Mr. Wu has done a talented job by displaying on our PEDB 400B machine. So, can you see how this machine works? I'm sure you are impressed. Okay, next on we have this kind of material. So as you can see, there is no marking. So, our engineer is going to demonstrate. Please, Mr. Wu. So, it is most important to ensure that your material, such as acrylic, wood, bamboo, is displayed on the working table. Your metal is displayed on your working table. So therefore, you should ensure that it is having a reflect on your working table. Okay, as you can see, the red light indication is there. Our engineer is ready to do the printing. Okay, please, Mr. Wu. Wow. This is amazing. If I was a business person, I would like you to have a look at this. Please, ladies and gentlemen, we have a wonderful, good marking effect right there. All right. I am amazed. Wow. another big hand of applause for Mr. Wu! Wow, this is incredible. All right. So, right now, we are going to have a few notice about how we can turn on the machine. Okay, he turned out and all right. So therefore, here is where you have the emergency stop button. So you turn out and loosen the emergency stop switch. Okay? And then the second one is you should rotate and turn on the switch key. And the third one, you should open the computer, enter into the marking software, and edit the marking file. Okay. All right. Please press down the green button switch, which is the laser power switch. And also adjusting parameters, red light positioning, then marking. Okay, that is how it's done. Okay, as you can see, the computer is switched on. And therefore, with the red light, green light, which is the green button switch, the laser power switch. Okay, all right. Okay. So, then we have our 400 PEDB 400D machine. So, we are going to have a full overview of our turn-on steps. So, the first one is you push the switch on, air switch, the power indicator will shine. Yes, the power indicator has shined. The second one is to turn out and loosen the emergency stop switch. The third one, rotate and turn on the key switch. The fourth one is to press down the driving power switch. All right. The fifth one is to open the computer, entering the marking software, editing marking file, and ensure the laser power is 0 before marking. Edit the marking file. Please ensure the laser power is 0 before marking. Then, you press the laser power switch. Adjusting the parameters, red light positioning, then marking. As you can see, put the red light positioning onto mark. Okay. Mr. Wu, please begin. Wonderful. Can we see? This is so clear and effective. This was done so fast. I am impressed. Wow, it's so colorful. Thank you, Mr. Wu. This is impressive. I like this. Wow. And then he is going to have on different kind of material. So, therefore, with our fiber laser marking machine, it has perfect marking results. This machine can meet many customer requirements and of various elaborate patterns on a tiny surface. It is also regarded as the king laser marker. Also, it has a high rate of electrical optical conversion. No power coupling loss. As you can see, it saves a lot of operating costs, which is very good for your business. So please, this machine can also have 100 hours lifetime. And the maintenance is really free. And there are absolutely no consumables. What other benefits does this machine have? It also has a high-speed efficiency. So this high-speed efficiency, it can significantly improve the marking of this machine and the quantity at the same time. So therefore, it can accelerate the user's return on investment. Your investment onto this machine is really the best decision you can make. So, as you can see, also it has a wonderful integrated structure. Our engineer, Mr. Wu, please let us see the best marking effect we can have. Are we ready? Let's begin. Magnificent, magnificent work. Wow, this is incredible. I am impressed. This is incredible. I am impressed. Wow, okay. This is a wonderful picture. The quality is so clear. Once again, a hand of applause to our engineer. Mr. Wu. Wow. As you can see, our talented engineer that we have in this company has invested so much skill, energy into coming up with such a wonderful fiber laser marking machine. So, Mr. Wu has done an incredible job with the demonstration with how you've seen on how to use this machine. If somehow, by watching this demonstration and you feel like you have an inquiry to make, please contact us, email us, and we will give you a full information on how to use this machine. All right, so this machine is really an incredible machine. As you can see, it has come with a PC kind of holder. This is a PC holder. The software is there. And also, the software that is supported in our Perfect Laser machine is Windows XP and Windows 7. This is an incredible software. Also, you have all the main switches here that is usually used for this machine. The emergency stop, key switch, driver switch, laser power, and the power indicator. And also, we have right here is this laser scanning tab with a wonderful design working table. As you can see, by placing it onto the red light, it will immediately start the printing. Just as usual, with our lifting system, with a ruler scale, you're able to adjust it upward and downward. So you can know how much your effectiveness of your positioning can be. So, with such a wonderful compacted design, it is much easier for your shipping. Are you enjoying? Are you thinking this is good for your investment? Please, it's best right now to inquire, order, and contact us, because I'm sure this is best for your business and your factory and for your family. So, what more can we tell you more about our fiber laser marking machine? Is that it has a wonderful compacted computer structured design. So all this compacted design is wonderful and is really useful for you. So right now, it is high time we welcome back our host who introduced me at the beginning of this show. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Area!
Hey guys, I'm back. Thank you so much for the detailed introduction.
Yeah.
And the show about the engineer on the machine.
Yeah.
It's so amazing, right?
So amazing. I'm just enjoying the wonderful machine. Fiber laser marking machine.
Yeah.
Yes, the marking effect was really incredible.
Awesome.
Yes.
It's
Yeah.
really a nice machine and can make so many beautiful logos and
Yeah.
designs
Yeah.
on all kinds of different materials such as stainless steel, mild steel, carbon steel, galvanized sheet, aluminum, etc. Right?
Yes.
And for our laser marking machine, we have so many different types, such as the portable tab, the rotary tab, the leasing tab, the 3D printing tab, and the UV paper laser tab, right?
Yes.
We also have the special laser marking machine for pens with special conveyor belt and 4 to 8 turnable table cap for mark on any engraving text, just like the example we showed to our
Wow.
viewers, right?
Yes, that is absolutely true.
Yeah, we also got the rotary tab to mark on jewelry and rings, etc. And you know what? Besides that, our company also has special design and customizability. So if you got any requirements, don't hesitate to contact us, and we will provide you full solution for your all kinds of different marking requirements, right?
Yes, that's absolutely
And
true.
you can send us your design and example so we can make free sample for you.
Definitely.
Dominic, now I've got some questions from customers, so please answer us.
Yes, questions. I'm really glad you have sent us some questions. This shows that you are really concerned and you're really prepared to make the best investment in this machine. All right, please, I'm really curious to know what kind of questions they have asked.
Okay, here we go. The first question.
Okay,
What kind of material can be marked by the fiber laser marking machine?
okay. Oh yes, it can mark all kinds of materials, including stainless steel, carbon steel, mild steel, aluminum galvanized steel, and zinc sheet. So, it can also mark on some plastic materials.
Yeah. And the second question is, what the marking precision?
Oh yes, we have a wonderful marking precision. The marking precision can reach 0.002 millimeters. It's very high precision. It can make beautiful sign on your products.
And the third question is, how about the marking speed? No, it's important.
Oh yes, the marking speed can reach 7,000 millimeters per second. It's just very fast. It's much better as compared to our competitors, which is like 3,000 millimeters per second. So, it just takes a few seconds to mark a logo on your products. If you need to work with production line, we also have a laser marking machine for you to choose. So, it can mark automatically when your product has come.
And the number fourth question is, what color can be marked?
Oh yes, that is a good question. I'm glad you have raised that question for us. The laser marking machine can mark white and black color. Usually it's these two colors. But normally, the laser marking machine has no color. The laser marker is to remove the surface color of your product. If your product is electroplated, so the laser will remove the color and it will reveal the color inside.
That's a so great answer. And the fifth question is, can it mark colorful colors?
Well, for stainless steel, it can mark colorful color by choosing one of our machines that we have, which is the PEDB 400C model. If you're interested, please inquire.
And the number six question is, how about the marking effects?
Well, the marking effect for the laser is a non-contact marking. The surface of your product, the marking effect is delicate. So because it's delicate, it not only can make permanent sign, but it can improve the appearance grade of your product. The appearance will be more appealing, more good. The effect is absolutely outstanding.
And the seventh question is, what's the working area of the laser marking machine?
Oh yes, the standard marking area is 100 by 110 by 110 millimeters. We also can provide 175 by 175 milliliters, 200 by 200 millimeters, and also 300 by 300 millimeters, which is a big working area.
And the eighth question is, what's the laser source brand?
Oh yes, we have many kinds of laser source brand, such as for you to choose, we have Max, Rakers, GPT, and IPG. All of them are the toppest brand in the world.
Yeah.
Yes, so with them being the toppest brand in the world, the laser power from 20 watts, 30 watts, 50 watts, and 100 watts.
That's so great. And the next question is, what's the software of the laser marking machine?
Oh, the software. Yes, the software is EasyCAD. It is a professional marking software. So, with this software, it has a really good, friendly user interface that can support many files with different formats. Yeah.
And the 10th question is, what are the marking materials of the fiber laser marking machine and UV laser marking machine?
Well, the fiber laser marking machine is mainly suitable for marking on all kinds of metals. The UV laser marking machine is not only marking on metals, but also on plastic materials. So, therefore, such as hard plastic, wood, and glass. Yeah.
So the 11th question is, what's the differences between the inkjet printer and the laser marking machine?
Well, concerning as for the inkjet printer, the content printed can be modified. So when it can be modified, also the sign can be removed by cleaning liquid. The sign made by the laser marking machine is permanent and cannot be removed. And also, concerning for consumables, for inkjet printed, it needs many kinds of consumables. So therefore, you have to change the ink and also including the solvent liquid. So therefore, it needs to be changed every week. While the laser marking machine does not have such kind of consumables. The third thing that you might want to take into consideration is the maintenance. The maintenance for the inkjet printer, it can be easy to get dry if you don't use it for a long time. So don't wash the ink pad completely. So the ink pad is easy to be blocked. While the laser marking machine, the laser is coming out from the laser source. It's totally free of maintenance and the marking is beautiful. I just love it.
So the 12th question is, what's the power consumption?
Oh yes, that's a good question. The power consumption of fiber laser marking machine is 0.5 kilowatts per hour. It is a really good energy saving machine, right?
Totally.
Energy saving, this is incredible. It's a very good investment for you.
Yeah, for the factory or for the businessman, right?
Yeah, that's right.
And the 13th question is for the consumables of the fiber laser marking machine.
Oh yes, the fiber laser marking machine has no consumables. It is free of maintenance. It can be used for 8 to 10 years, which is not similar like other companies. Our companies can use it for a longer period of time, 8 to 10 years. So once you have invested in this, you can benefit for your whole life.
You can use it as such a long time, right?
Yes.
And the next question is about, are you a factory or trade company?
Dear, that's a very good question and thank you for asking. Perfect Laser is a factory we have for 20 years in production experience, especially in laser field. So in concerning laser field, we have customized abilities for your special requirements for laser mounting. Yes.
And the 15th question is, what's your factory located and how can I visit there?
Oh yes, Our factory is located in Hubei province, China. So you are welcome to visit at your convenience. Please welcome to our factory.
So the 16th question is how long is the lead time?
Oh yes, the lead time is usually 7 to 10 working days. So please feel free to contact with our sales manager right now to start your purchasing plan. And also you can get the machine very soon.
And the next question is how about warranty?
Oh, warranty. Warranty. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very good big advantage concerning our warranty. So normally, our warranty period is 12 months. But as you are watching this live show right now, we can provide you with 24 months for the whole machine.
That's so long.
Yeah, it's so long. So it's really a good chance if you buy this machine this month.
Yeah, and the last question is, what's the trade term?
Oh, the trade term for both FOB, CIF, EXW, these ones are really favorable.
And the next question is, what's the payment method?
Oh yes, we have different kinds of payment method for your convenience. We accept wire transfer, credit card, Western Union, PayPal, and Alibaba Trade Assurance.
So many choice, right?
Yeah,
And
relative
20th
choice.
question- And the 20th question is, do you have any certification?
Oh yes, we are a very certified company. So, we are offering free parts during warranty period. After the warranty, the parts will need to be repaired and changed by the customer cost. And yes, we have passed the CE certification, so you can be rest assured to order from us.
And the next question is, do you arrange shipment for the machine?
Yes, of course, we arrange shipment. So by shipment, we are based on FOB, CIF. We also have terms by sea and by air. So we have a really good professional team for shipping.
Oh.
But, however, for EXW price, shipment shall be arranged by your shipping agent.
So there is a system in it, right?
Yeah, that is true.
Last question is, what about the packing?
Oh yes, all the packing comply with international exporting standard. So please, do not worry. We will deliver the machine to your factory and there will be no damages and we will make sure that it is safe.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your detailed answer for our viewers, Mr. Dominic.
Yes.
And today, in order to thank for our customers watching and to celebrate the International Trading Festival in June, we prepared many exclusive gifts and very attraction and policy for our customers to enjoy. First, as you can see here, order over $7,000, you will get a coupon of $100.
Wow!
That's so awesome. And order over $3,000, you will get a coupon of
$50.
Awesome. And secondly, is for our warranty time, right?
Wow, yes.
So normally company will only provide you with 12 months warranty time.
Yeah.
But our company will prolong your warranty time to
24 months.
Warranty time, right? And only if you place the order during this month, and we will provide you such a long time warranty time.
Yeah, that is really true.
We have full confidence that our machine will make you satisfied, right?
Yeah.
And have no worry about our warranty time. And you know what? What's more, our company prepared 100 set of tableware as gifts. They are blue and white porcelain, as you can see.
Wow, this is such
Cover.
an incredible gift.
Yeah, so exquisite.
But let's open it.
Yeah.
Are you ready? I'm ready to open the gift.
2.
All right.
Go.
Wow!
So pretty,
Love the
right?
gift.
Let me show one to you.
Okay.
As you can see here, they are beautiful flower with Chinese characteristic on it, right?
Wow, yes. This
Yes.
is incredible.
So pretty. And I believe with this tableware definitely will create wonderful dinner time for you and your family, right?
Yes, absolutely.
And we will send you who participate in the live stream today and place the order during this month. Okay, to enjoy all these benefits, we need you to do a screenshot with us, and we will give you 10 seconds to do this with us. Let's count together and dominate.
Wow, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I hope you
Wonderful.
already got the screenshot, and please send it to our sales representative to show you how to turn our live show so you can enjoy all these benefits and coupons.
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to the next part.
So, yeah, that is really incredible.
Yeah.
This was an interesting overview of our fiber laser marking machine.
So about Surya today's detailed introduction, we know how to operate our
Yes.
machine and know all the promotion policy about our machine, right? It's definitely a great machine, isn't it? And with so many tabs and can mark so many logos and designs on different kind of materials, right?
That's true.
And today we show some samples about the pens, right?
Ear
And
tags,
tags,
acrylic materials.
yeah, and
Yeah.
even the chocolate box. It's really a useful machine, and it's really awesome for a person who wants to do a business in this industry, right?
Yes, absolutely.
And there's so many use, and there's such a long time for you to use this machine, right?
Yes, that's true.
And as Mr. Dominator said, the machine can be used to 8 to 10 years, right?
That's right.
Such a long time. You know, the machine in the factory often just used for 3 to 4 years,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, and has over 10,000 hours long. You can be using it, this machine. That is incredible. Yeah.
And our company provide a high quality product for you to enjoy and to buy. So you really have no worry to buy from us, right?
Yeah.
Because Profit Laser is going to be your best partner. We want to provide you with great customer services and the best product forever, right? So if you like our machine, please don't hesitate to call us or send inquiries or chat online to us. And also welcome to visit our website so you can see more video and introduction about our machine. And if you are watching us right now, please follow us by clicking the follow button here to subscribe our channel so you can find us easily next time. And also please give us a like, right? It means a lot to us, right?
Great. Okay. All right. So, you know, it's really unfortunate that time passes so fast. Yes, definitely.
And today is definitely a memory day, right?
Yeah.
We show our customers how to rate and how to choose the right side model according to your needs, right?
Yeah, definitely.
And okay, next we are going to introduce our next machine, Co2 Engraving Cutter machine, and let's see. Here we go. On to the next machine. introduce this machine, I would like to introduce our company to you first. Our company is Co2 Laser, as you can see here, is a professional manufacturer of industrial laser equipment since 1995. Until now, we have 20 years history in this field, and our main product including CO engraving and cutting machine and the laser engraving machine and more than 20 series and 300 types. And all machines have got CE, ISO, and your certificate and certified by the well-known international inspection institution, right?
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, such as TUV and SGS. As a result, our products have been exported to more than 180 countries and in areas in the world.
That is incredible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we got great reputation from the customers all over
That's
the world.
definitely true.
And today, we'll show you how to make beautiful and exquisite patterns by our laser engraving and cutting machine, and how to choose the right side model on your own needs, right? And in order to thanks for watching, we prepare the coupons in our left room page, and you can get it in your left room page and use it when you directly place the order. And to celebrate the e-commercial trading festival in June, we prepare lots of coupons and gifts for our customers, right?
Wow.
And first, as you can see here, we prepare some coupons. Place an order over $7,000, you will get coupons of $100. That's so worth it. Everyone, pay attention to here. And order over $3,000, you will get coupons of $15.
Wow.
So I really hope you can catch this big discount. And secondly, it's for our warranty time.
Wow.
You know, no company only provides you with 12 warranty time, right?
Yes.
But our company will provide you 24 months warranty time. That's such a long time, about 2 years. So it's such a long time.
Wow,
right?
this is incredible.
And what's more, our company also prepare many exquisite gifts and very attractive promotion policy for you to enjoy, and I will introduce them to you later. So please keep watching. And if you're watching us right now, please follow us by clicking the following button here. To subscribe our channel so you can find us easily next time. And please give us a like. It will mean a lot to us. And if you want to get more information about the product, you can click the more here. So you can get more information about product, and you also can place the order directly in here. Okay, now Mr. Dominic, could you please introduce our CO2 engraving and the cutting machine to our customers?
Yes, definitely. I would like to do so.
Yeah, and Mr. Dominic is very professional in this field.
Okay. All right. First, we're going to show you some samples concerning our laser engraving and cutting machine, so that we can have an whole overview of how on such kind of different materials can it be done. So here is our sample table, and we have different kinds of materials.
Yes.
So with a machine that can do excellent engraving and cutting, you can see from this one, from edge to edge, the shapes are of good design, really incredible. Please, let's have it for our viewers.
So it's all done by our machine. Such a great work.
Okay, wow, that is such an incredible one. And then next we have this this is so incredible. I can see it so clearly.
Yeah, the lips.
Wow, that was nice.
Yeah.
And on acrylic material, we have a Christmas tree. Wow,
So
the
cute.
design and shape. This machine has done the engraving and cutting so accurately. Wow, can you see? That was such an incredible. And also on another kind of acrylic material,
You like it?
thumbs up. Give our show a like.
Yeah.
Wonderful, right? Such kind of good material. Now, if I'm looking for a picture frame, if you're working in the museum industry and you want to have some drawings such on wood materials, look at this picture. This machine is good for you. Yeah.
Even for your own profile.
Wow. And look at this one.
So that
Can you see within inside the engraving and cutting is so accurately and wonderfully done. There is absolutely no mistake. The positioning is so accurate. Please let them have a look. Okay, wow. And then this one, it's a butterfly. Wow. This is absolutely, I'm amazed. Wow.
awesome.
All right. So, another one that we might have is this. Can you see? So clearly well done. So, our machine can, have different materials such as acrylic, MDF, wood, PVC board, such many, materials with so many
Choices,
engraving and cutting. It's so accurate. I'm really filled with, enjoyment right
Yeah,
now.
I'm totally
Yes.
impressed.
That's true.
And we also
Okay.
have
Another one we have is, look at this one. This is a peacock,
yeah.
right? Yeah.
On the paper, right?
Wonderful. Wow. This is all amazing. So, what do you think about this? This is incredible, right?
This one is my favorite because it is printed on paper and you can see the feather is so vivid, right?
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah.
However, this one is my favorite.
Why?
I just love it because you can see the shapes. It's so clear. It's in order. This is my favorite. So, if that's your favorite, I'd like to take this one.
Well, I
And
choose
I
this
will
one.
keep this one with me.
Okay.
Right. Great. Okay. So, thank you for paying attention to our sample show. for our CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine. So, right now, we are going to have an overview concerning our application materials, what applicable materials can be used in our CO2 laser and engraving machine. So, as you can see right here, it is suitable for fabric, cloth, leather, paper, wood, and rubber materials. So on this board, on this chart that you can see here, the engraving is way superior, but only on one material cannot be done on engraving. However, acrylic, MDF, wood, bamboo, and rubber, paper, glass, all of it, the engraving can be done. However, on cutting materials, there are a few that cutting cannot be done, such as the glass, stone, marble. So engraving is really superior in this applicable materials. So please, this is one of the best machines that you can have for your engraving and cutting. Also, we would like to show you a very much comparable with different machines. At Fiber Laser in this industry, we have different kinds of laser engraving and cutting machines. However, some are much bigger as compared to others in terms of size, such as this one. This machine is the one that you can see right behind me. However, we have a bigger machine with 2 printing heads. So the bigger it is, the bigger the working table and printing heads you have. And also, we have different kinds that have for different materials. Yeah, which is much more convenient for engraving, such as this one, which has a more flat bed-sized engraving machine. So, also, if you're working in the clothing industry, this is important for your business, such as the machine that you can see here. For processing clothing right into this machine, this is really important for your business. So, with all these machines that you can see, if you have any inquiries, please do not hesitate to make further contacting by emailing, calling us, and I will be happy to promptly respond to your inquiries. So, we have different kinds of thickness depending on the materials that you use. So, on the cutting thickness, you have a maximum of different kinds, such as acrylic, MDF, wood, rubber, leather, cloth, and paper. However, our best and most recommended is the 800 watts, which is 10,000 hours. For 10,000 hours, you have a much more better, which is 15 millimeters, which is the best and the maximum. So, for such, you can see on acrylic, it's the best, and cloth is 6 millimeters, paper is 7 millimeters, and you have a very good working table. So, if you have a required working table, please, by looking at this chat, please inquire from us, and we can give you our best help and guidance concerning the cutting thickness of different materials. Okay. All right. So, Ladies and gentlemen, this was such a good overview of our CO2 laser and engraving and cutting machine, right? So, right now, we're going to have a good overview of this whole entire machine. So, in this machine right here, we have a linear guide rail. We have an XY x-axis and a y-axis linear guide rail. The y-axis guide rail are on the side views, which is really important in the movement of upward and downward direction when engraving and cutting on this working table, which is a working table of 1300 by 900 millimeters. We also have a x-axis working linear guide rail, which is in the supportment of movement of a left to right direction. So therefore, this is a really good important for absolutely working in this entire working table. So, we also have a wonderful transforming belt. This belt is so good that it has no noise and has a very good structure, long lasting. We have a printing pad right here with a red light pointer. The red light pointer will have a detection onto our working table right here. So, that is a wonderful structure concerning our laser engraving and cutting machine. We also have a machine cover right here. The machine cover is supported with two window frames. As you can see, the window frames right here, and as you close this machine cover, it can still be able to continue the operation of engraving and cutting using this machine. So, the biggest advantage of this machine cover is that you are able to observe the engraving and cutting even when it is closed. That is also good for users' safety and precautions. So, therefore, we also have inside right here, as I open, as you can see, when I open right here, what do I have? I have a really good steel right here. This steel is much harder and stronger, that it supports in the movement of upward and downward of the working table movement. So, this steel, the best advantage is that it can last forever. It cannot rust. Unlike other companies, with 3 to 5 years time, they're having a rust and it can make noise, and which is not really a good investment that you'd really want to consider. So this one is really the best. And also, we have a wonderful strong chain right here, as you can see. So this chain also is one of the best chains that you can have. It can never rust, it is strong, it is durable, and it is a long lifespan belt. So, as you can see, this whole compacted structure within here and here, you can see right there, it will be moving upward and downwards. So therefore, this engraving and cutting will be absolutely outstanding. I love this machine. Alright, you pretty must be excited by what you have seen. Furthermore, we have our LCD screen. Our LCD screen control. It's really small, and you have a switch on and a switch off button. So, with this switch off and switch on button, you can see the LCD screen very clearly. So, this LCD screen can work with computer and connect to USB disk. So the USB is inserted right here. And then your image will appear to store the files. So, with this LCD screen that you have here, it can store files in machines such as AutoCAD and CorelDRAW. So, that is really amazing. We also have an emergency stop button. The emergency stop button, if you notice any malfunctioning or problem in this duration of your engraving and cutting, please don't hesitate to stop. Press the emergency stop button. We also have a laser power switch. By pressing this laser power switch, the machine will automatically turn on. All right. Therefore, please come along. All right. Right here, what we can see is we have a laser tube. This laser tube is very important, and it can have up to 10,000 hours long lifespan. It is made of glass, as you can see. It has a really good length and can be used up to at least 10 months. So, this laser tube is saying working lifespan of this laser tube is the same as the machine. What we also have is a water chiller right here. This water chiller is really good for the air cooling of this machine. So, this is why this machine can last long. The air cooler water chiller is really incredible, that it can have some air cooling that is transformed into this machine, which is the best for your machine. So, thank you for having a look at our laser tube and our water chiller. All right, come along with me as we give you more information of our CO2 Laser Engraving and Cutting machine. All right, right now, so this machine has a high transparency rate. With the high transparency rate, it also has an imported material. So it also has a protected laser beam. So with other companies' laser tube, it can last only 3,000 hours. But ours, the world-leading manufacturer of laser equipment, can last up to 10,000 hours, which is a huge beneficial to your investment. So, this is also a very big investment. Right now, it is high time we welcome our engineer and talented engineer, Mr. Wu! Mr. Wu, good to see So, we have some materials here. As you can see, here it is. What will our engineer do with our CO2 laser engraving and cutting machine? Mr. Wu, this is for you, sir. So, he displays the material onto the working table. All right, Mr. Wu, you switch on, turn on the emergency stop, and then, yes, it's moving on the left to right direction. Okay, so you have your power switch and you switch it on. All right. Okay, let's begin our engraving and cutting. Mr. Wu, please begin. Wow, just exactly as the sample I have shown you. Right here. Wow, this is incredible. Thank you, Mr. Wu. This was a wonderful job. Let's give a hand of applause for our engineer, Mr. Wu. Wow, that is really impressive. As you can see, it was done really fast. So, this is really an incredible machine that can do your engraving and cutting at a really fast speed. All right. Therefore, I'm going to give you some more information concerning our laser comparison of our machine. So, with our machine, it is much more better as compared to other competitors engraving and cutting. So, with other competitors, this machine, other suppliers' thickness is only 1.5 millimeters. However, ours has a 3 millimeters, which is more safe, and the distortion period is for 5 to 10 years. The working platform, it adopts a US working imported platform which is made of aluminum alloy and is glossy and not easy to deform. As you can see the picture frame here, it does not last for a long time and it is deformed really easily. The laser tube has a lifespan of 10,000 hours, while our competitors has a lifespan of 3,000 hours. All right. also with our laser parts. This one is manufactured through die stamping technology, but other competitors is more similar. So, let's get back to our engineer, Mr. Wu! Okay, let's begin. Okay, ready and go! So, as the machine is applicable for materials such as acrylic, MDF, wood, bamboo, rubber, leather, cloth, paper, and glass. I believe earlier in this show, I mentioned that this was my favorite. Look at how my favorite has been. It is absolutely amazing. This was not a long time, and it has been done absolutely well. I am impressed by what I have seen by our CO2 laser and engraving machine. Wow! Let's give a hand of applause of Mr. Wu. A great job he has done. Wow! Okay, so this right here, as you can see. Okay, so Mr. Wu, he is going to do the engraving on acrylic material. So please, bear with me in mind as we witness the wonderful engraving and cutting done on acrylic material. So, he goes onto our LCD screen and selects what to do and decode from the software of the machine. Okay, so there are mainly good features concerning our laser and engraving cutting machine, such as the advanced LCD screen, which you can connect and your USB of 128 memory size, which can store files of AutoCAD and CorelDRAW. We also have a front-to-back running through system. So this front and back run-through system is suitable for super length material. So such as a roll of fabric that can be from 30 to 50 millimeters of height. And also it can make some materials from front to back and easy to put the material through in this machine. All right, Mr. Wu, let's begin. So, as on acrylic material, both engraving and cutting is supported. Therefore, as you are witnessing right now, the engraving and cutting on this acrylic material will have a high resolution, and it can be done in high speed. As for other materials, such as glass, stone, marble, granite, wood, MDF, bamboo, PVC board, double color board, rubber, leather, and cloth. If you are working or dealing with such kind of applications, please, engraving is supported, and you can inquire from us on how we can best help you meet your customer requirements. And cutting as well is also supported on such materials such as acrylic, MDF, wood, bamboo, PVC board, double color board, rubber, leather fabric, color, cloth, paper, are all supported in cutting materials. All right, there we have it. Wonderful. All right. So, let's give a big hand of applause to Mr. Wu! Wow, wow, wow. This is amazing. The engraving, the cutting by such of our samples as you have seen. They are just looking incredible. Wow, I am impressed. Okay, so, all right, so, right now, it is time. We can welcome back the host of our show. Please welcome Ariel! Wow! Did you witness what I saw?
Yeah, that's so impressed.
Yeah, our
Great
engineer
impressed.
is excellent. He operated this machine so easily, and the engraving and cutting was perfect.
Yeah, and such process. Right?
Yeah.
I love the operation procedure. It's so
Yeah.
cool, you know. And the CO2 engraving and cutting machine is such a great machine, right?
Yes.
It can engrave and cut on the non-metallic materials, right? Such as the acrylic, the wood, the bamboo, the leather, and the engineer that showed us, right?
Yeah,
It's
that's
so
true.
cool. And besides that, our company also have special design and customizability, so we can provide you full solution for all kinds of different engraving and cutting requirements. So if you got any idea in your head, don't hesitate to send us your design and your materials to us, and we will make a free sample for you by our CO2 engraving and cutting machine, right?
That's true.
Yeah. And okay, now Mr. Dominic, I got some questions from the customers. Would you please answer first?
Yes, definitely. I can answer some questions for you.
So, Mr. Dominic, let me see here. We got a lot of questions from the customers. The first question is, what kind of materials can be engraved and cut
Okay.
by this machine?
Okay. So, please, ladies and gentlemen, have a look at this chart right here. As you can see, on this application, you can engrave most metallic materials, such as acrylic, MDF wood, bamboo, PVC board, double color board, rubber, paper, glass, cloth. All of them are really supportive in engraving. So these kind of materials, if our customers are really dealing with such kind of materials and are really looking forward to engraving and cutting, they are in the right place. So this is the best machine for them.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much. And the second question is, what's the cutting accuracy and positioning accuracy?
So the cutting accuracy is 0.02 to 0.03. However, the positioning accuracy is 0.02 to 0.03 meters. Yes.
And the third question is, which material are suitable for the strip working table and the honeycomb working table?
Yes, we have both the honeycomb working table and strip working table for you to choose. Strip working table is suitable for engraving and cutting solid and heavy objects, such as wood, acrylic, MDF, and PVC board. Since the loading ability is better, honeycomb working table is suitable for engraving and cutting materials. For example, garment materials such as fabric, cloth, carpet, cutting, and so on. By adding vacuum absorbing platform, it can absorb the soft materials to prevent it moving during laser working. Also, you can buy double together, so you can change it to cutting different materials. Yes.
That's awesome. And the fourth question is, under what circumstances need to be equipped with a lifting platform, and what's the lifting range?
Oh yes. Generally, when the thickness of the object is engraved with a thicker than 20 millimeters, it is recommended to buy optional lifting platform. The lifting range is 300 millimeters.
And the fifth question is, can the water chillers be protected against the power failure?
Yes, the water chiller has a power failure function. When there is power failure, it will stop work to protect machine.
Wow. And the sixth question is, what software is used for a machine?
The software that is usually used for our machine is Rotary Professional Laser Engraving and Cutting software. It's a very professional software with friendly interface and supports many kinds of formats. Yes.
And the seventh question is, what are the consumables for the machine, and which consumables are recommended for the first purchase of the machine?
Okay, so concerning consumables, including the laser tube, the reflect mirror, and the lens, normally we recommend you to buy 2 extra pieces of laser tube and 1 extra for mirror and lens for backup when you buy the machine. So we can deliver it together. It will be safe for the laser tube delivery because the laser tube is made by glass and easy to get broken if it is sent by air separately.
And the next question is, how to choose the focus lens?
50 millimeters, 63.5 and 100 millimeters focus lens is available to you to choose. And depending on your cutting thickness of materials, the more thicker, the more your focus lens can be. If you want to engrave and cut together, formally we will recommend 63.5 millimeters focus lens. If you just want to cut material, we would recommend 100 millimeters focus lens.
And the next question is, how about the warranty,
Oh yes.
That's quite important for
Yes.
customers.
Yeah, the warranty is 12 months. Well, if you buy it during this month on our live show, you don't know what I have for them. I have 24 months warranty period.
That's such a long time.
Such a long time. Other customers is 12 months usually.
Yeah, it's whole 2 years,
Yeah,
right?
the whole 2 years. So such a laser tube is a warranty period of 10 months.
And the 10th question is, how long is the lead time?
The lead time is 5 to 7 working days after receiving your bank transfer.
And the 11th question is, what's the payment method?
Well, for payment, we accept bank transfer, credit card, Western Union, and Alibaba Trade Assurance.
And the last question is, what after-sales services is provided by your company?
We are responsible for long life after-sales service, including installation and training guidance, software updating. Also, we can offer free parts for replacing during guarantee period.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your detailed answer for our customers who ask those questions. It's really good questions, right?
Yes.
Help them to know our machines and our services of our company better, right?
Yes, that is true.
Through your detailed answer about our customer questions, even myself to want to buy a unit for my own business.
Yeah, it will be a good choice to buy this machine for your business. Yeah,
And
because it will save you cost. It
Yeah.
will be a big investment. It can be used for a long time. You cannot keep on buying machines one durable machine with so much powerful laser tube, water chiller, and a long lifespan of 100,000 hours. This machine is really incredible. So I would really recommend this machine for one of the biggest investment for your business.
Yeah, and to celebrate the International Trading Festival in June, we prepare lots of benefits for you to enjoy, and let's see what you can get.
Yes.
Firstly, is about some coupons. Place an order over $7,000, you will get coupons of $100.
Wow!
Right? And place an order over $3,000, you will get coupons of $15. I hope you can capture this chance, my friends. And the next thing is for warranty time. As Mr. Dominates have already recommended, our warranty time is prolonged from 12 months to 24
months. Wow!
Yeah, the whole 2 years. That's such a long time that
Yeah.
no company can't provide you that. That's such benefits. And what's more, our company prepare 100 set of tableware as gifts. They are blue and white porcelain, as you can see from the cover.
Wow.
It's so exquisite, right? And let me open it.
Wow! Such
This-
a beautiful gift.
Yeah, they are tableware. And let me show one to you guys. They have Chinese flowers and with much Chinese characteristic on it,
Yes,
right?
definitely.
And I believe it will create a wonderful dinner time for you and your family when you use such pretty tableware, right? And we will send it to whom participate in your live showroom today and place the order during this month, right?
Yes,
And to
definitely.
enjoy all these benefits, we need you to do a screenshot with us together, okay?
Yes.
And we will give you 10 seconds. Are you ready?
Okay.
Let's count together. Mr.
All right.
Dominate. Here we go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Have you taken your screenshot?
Yeah, I believe our customers and our viewers already got the screenshot. And please send it to your sales representative to show you how to turn the live show, and you can enjoy all these benefits, those coupons, this prolonged warranty time, and the tableware, right?
Okay.
About our company, we also need to show you some certificate about our company's product, right? Our company already got the CE certification.
Yes, the
So
CE
much.
certification.
As you can see
We're
here.
absolutely certified. So be rest assured to order from us, and we will deliver the machine to your factory, your business, or your company.
Yes, we also got the road certificate. And we also got a God Plus Supplier Assessment Certification that's certified by SGS company. That means we have the standard equipped the European standard, right?
Yes,
So
that is
it's
true.
really safe to buy from us, and you have no worry about the quality of our product and the service that we will provide with you, right?
That is true.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we have full confidence that our machine will make you satisfied and have no worry about the quality, the warranty time, the after-sales services, and time passes so fast. It's time to say goodbye now, Ms. Terminate, to our customers.
Okay.
And thank you so much for your time and your watching with us during the 2 hours. And
Please
yeah.
feel free to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, because Perfect Laser is your world-leading manufacturer of laser equipment. So, for your business, we have the machines that can help you save costs
Yes.
for your factory, your business. We are assured, we are certified, and we are like family.
Yes, and if you enjoy our live show and like our machine, our product, don't hesitate to call us or send inquiry to us or chat online to us. And also welcome to our website to see more information about our product. And if you like our live show, please subscribe our channel by clicking following button in your screen so you can find us easily next time. It's really time to say goodbye now, my dear friends. And the Perfect Laser is willing to be your best partner for now and forever. Waiting for your order and see you next time.
Bye!